Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are going to open up our Boxy Charm. And it feels like a shoebox. I kind of wish it was shoes. But we'll see what's in here. My computer is playing dirty tricks on me again. Alrighty. So this is the Boxy Charm Luxe box. So the first thing I see is a Zoeva palette. I do like Zoeva stuff. I don't know what kind of palette it is. So let's just open this up and see. It's probably a cheek. It is. It's a cheek. Sorry about that, everybody. So my camera went crazy again. Alright, so it is a Zoeva cheek palette. So here is what it looks like on the inside. And we will give it a shot and see what we like about it, what we don't like about it. Looks like it's a highlighter and 2 blushes. So yes, I will hang on to that. Alright. Okay, so we got lots of stuff in here. This is a NARS Power Mate lipstick. And let's see what I have a few of these, but I don't think I have this shade, which looks to be a purplish shade. Yes. So we'll hang on to that. I'm a fan of the NARS. Then we have the 2 little Brazilian bum creams. One is the Boom Boom cream, and the other is the Coco Cabana cream. Look. I love these. These are perfect little sizes, especially for travel. It does not take a lot of that stuff. You don't have to use a lot. So, what is this? This sounds like clinkety clinkety brushes. We'll see. No. They're straws. No. There's something like that. I'll look it up. Look, they look like, I don't know what they look like. Not so much, Boxy Charm. Not so much. If I want stuff for my kitchen, I'll buy it. Thank you. Okay, the next thing I have is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. I do like all of their products. I've never had something that I didn't like. So we will put this to good use. So this is one of like those Clarisonic type tools. And this is what it looks like. I don't think I'm going to keep it because I have so many little things like this, and there's probably other people that could use it. So we're going to stick this right back in that box and put it in the pass on. Pass it on, pass it on. Alright. We got 2 more things. So this here is a Spongel Freesia Pear Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. And that I am excited to see as well. Ooh, it's in the shape of a little flower. And yes, we will put this to some good use along with everything else. My computer is acting crazy. Alright, so we're going to hang on to this. And last but not least is a palette. It says Hello Charmer, and it's a Boxy Charm palette. see what it looks like on the inside. Looks kind of interesting to me. We will definitely try it out. Lots of glitter in here. I have tons of shades that look like this. But you know what? I just can't do it. I'm sorry. I can't be stingy because I have so much like this, and I just went through my drawers and I need to give away stuff, and I don't want to put it on my face because then it's used. All right, everybody. So that's a pretty good box. A few things I'm going to give away, but I'm okay with that. So yeah, that was our Boxy Charm for the month, and camera was a little crooked. And that's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.